Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're comparing two popular gaming tools, Gearup Booster and Lagofast. If you're a gamer looking to improve your connection and reduce lag, you've probably heard of these, but which one really delivers? Let's break it down. Starting with Gearup Booster, according to their official website, it's designed to optimize your internet connection specifically for gaming. It promises to reduce ping, improve stability, and give you a smoother gaming experience. On Trustpilot, Gear Up Booster score a impressive 4.9 stars from over 1,800 reviews, with 93% rating at 5 stars. Many users praise how much it helped reduce lag and improve their overall gameplay. It seems like a solid choice for serious gaming or gamers looking for reliable performance. On the other hand, Lagofast also markets itself as a tool to reduce lag and enhance online gaming. However, it has a lower Trustpilot's rating of 3.5 stars from over just 200 reviews. Some users have expressed frustration, accusing the company of false promises. One review specifically called out a blog they published that allegedly didn't work as advertised, casting doubts on the company's credibility. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research. So what's the final verdict? Based on the ratings and user feedbacks, Gear Up Booster seems to be more of a trusted and effective option for reducing lag and boosting gaming performance. Lagofast, while promising similar benefits, has some concerning reviews that might make you think twice. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.